Alrighty, this is the third exercise from section E of chapter 7 from the practice exercises. This one says P and not P and S. Well, I can tell you already how this is going to come out. This can't possibly be true. P can't be true and false. This cannot be true. And a conjunction is only true whenever both sides of the conjunction are true. So since this can never be true, this is going to always have to be false. So we should see this as a self-contradiction, but let's go ahead and prove it using the truth table. I have P, I have S, right? And my complex statement here, it's not a very good line, but you get the idea. The complex statement here is, and I draw this because I want to separate out when I'm handwriting them. You won't have that option in the interactive exercises, but it makes it a little easier for me to see what's on the left or the right side here of this table. The complex statement is P and not P and S. Right? So true, true, false, false, as we usually do. True, false, false. I'll go ahead and bring that over. True, true, false, false. True, true, false, false. True, false, true, false. Now I have a choice of either starting within the parentheses or starting outside the parentheses. I'm going to start within the parentheses. Inside the parentheses, that's not really optional. You need to start within the parentheses here, right? Yeah. So then within the parentheses, I have a dot and a tilde. And again, between the two, you always start with the tilde. So it's going to have the opposite value of P, so it's going to be false, false, true, true. And then the dot here is going to have, it's going to only be true when P is true and when the tilde is true. That can never happen here, so it's always going to be false. Right? And then the dot is going to be true whenever the complex statement in parentheses is true and S is true. The complex statement in parentheses, as we just saw, is never true, so the dot is never true. False, 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 false. Doesn't really matter what S says now. Right? So this is a self-contradiction. And I almost forgot, I need to mark the main operator. Again, you'll just select it in the exercise, but there you go. Okay?